Go to this website, mockupro.com. I'm going to leave the link to the website in the description below. Now, when you access the website, there are different kinds of mockups that you can choose from. Device mockups, packaging mockups, and the rest of the kinds of mockups that you may want to use for your design. And then let me go for this. When you click on the kind of mockup that you are looking for, you simply come to this place and select upload. Now you can simply upload your exported file. Scroll down and adjust your file. If there is any need, you can also rotate your file here. And then when you are done, you click on crop and continue. And your design mockup is done. Your mockup is done. Then finally, you can click here to download your file. Like this video and subscribe for more design tips. Check out this video if you need more options and more varieties for your mockups.